How to download your TikTok data. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can download your TikTok data in very easy steps. So in this video, you will learn how to download your data and information related to your TikTok account, including your comment history, chat history, and profile information. So this process is same for both iPhone and Android devices. So first of all, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you do that, open your profile page and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now in the Settings menu, find and tap on the account option, that is the initial one. Then tap on Download Your Data, which is between Switch to Business Account and Deactivate or Delete Account. Now on the download data page, you will see that your request may take a few days to process. You will have to wait while the TikTok collects your data and prepares your file. This page also describes the type of data that you can download, such as data related to your activity, profile, and app settings. So you can choose between the two file formats, which is the text file or machine readable file. After selecting your preferred format, tap the Request Data button and wait for a few days, and tap on the Request Data button. Wait for a few days and check your email for a notification that your files are ready. Alternatively, return to the download data section in the app, and if your file is ready, it will be available for download. You can then save, read, or use the downloaded TikTok data as you wish. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.